I'm delighted to be joined by Jason and Tony from ACS Stainless Steel Fixings. Chaps, welcome.
Good morning.
Morning.
Morning. Right, okay, first things first, can you introduce yourselves?
My name is Tony Higson. I'm the Commercial Director at ACS and I've been with the business just over 20 years.
My name is Jason Hedge. I'm the Senior Design Manager for the business and I've been here just about 18 years.
Fantastic. So with all that history, can you give us a brief background into your organisation then?
ACS are probably the largest manufacturer of structural building components in the UK. Structural building components covers a range of evils: masonry support, wind posts, wall ties, lintels, casting channels. We're seen as being the innovator in the industry. Most of the new product ideas seem to come out of Leeds here. We manufacture on 3 state-of-the-art sites, and we're just building a 4th factory just outside there as we speak.
Okay, let's get more specific product-wise. What products are we talking about, or product specific are we talking about today?
We're here today to talk about the ACS G-Tray, which is the UK's first A1 fire-rated non-combustible cavity tray system that surpasses all other products on the market and has been designed in accordance with the BBA's requirements.
Fantastic. So why is this an important product for the construction industry?
So the new regulations came out. ACS became aware that there wasn't a product available. So I spoke to most of the major manufacturers of cavity trays and DPCs in the UK and tried to establish if they got any products in development, and it became apparent that there wasn't. So we tasked our R&D team to develop a product, working with NHBC, Premier Guarantee, LABC and the other warranty providers, taking guidance from them and government. So we started developing a product and then took that product to most of the major house builders and brickwork subcontractors to develop the product that we've got today.
Okay, fantastic. So Jason, that's everything about the product and why it's important. But what led to the requirements of getting a BBA Agrément Certification?
I think working closely with all the warranty providers, the major warranty providers in the UK, they see the BBA as a sign of quality, and obviously as a quality manufacturer, it's only right to obtain such a certification, really.
Yeah, absolutely. So you've gained that certification. Has the product actually been used in situ in projects yet?
Absolutely, yeah. Since we developed the product, it's been used by pretty much every major house builder in the UK, and it's been installed by every major brickwork subcontractor in the UK. And as we're sat here now, I think most prestigious projects that have a domestic housing has an element of G-Tray in there.
Wow, that's fantastic. That's great news. Great for the industry and great for yourselves. So let's move swiftly on to the BBA then. You've got this Agrément certificate. Why choose the BBA?
It's a similar quality, isn't it? It's recognised throughout the whole of the UK, really. And like I said, alluded to earlier on, with regards to working closely with all major warranty providers, architects, engineers, the like, obviously see it as a sign of quality.
Yes, it's a symbol of excellent for your excellent product. What was the experience like working with the BBA?
We've dealt with the BBA many times in the past. As we mentioned earlier, we're an innovator, so we're heavy on R&D and product development. So we've worked with BBA. It's not fast process, certainly not for us, because we tend to be trailblazing. So the others that follow afterwards, it's a trodden path.
Yeah.
But for ACS, it tends to be a much longer process because we're setting the bar then for others to go there afterwards. And it was exactly the same with the cavity tray, is that it took a lot longer because everybody, the warranty providers, government, BBA, everybody was finding out where that level was. So yeah, it was probably longer than we would like, but we're kind of used to that. Certainly for everybody that follows there afterwards with other products, I think it'll be a lot easier for them after we've been down.
Excellent. Trailblazers. I like that word. Good use of that word there. Excellent. Full marks. So can you just explain the importance of having a BBA certification for this actual product?
For me, it sets us aside from other people. If you've got a BBA certificate, it shows that you've gone through the vigorous testing that you need to do to be able to achieve a BBA certification on a product. And it stops, I suppose, copycats, that could easily come along and copy the product and supply it out there. It's a genuine quality product.
And like you said, it did take a long time, but you want to get that right, and now you've got it, and it shows the legitimacy of the product and its worth. So, final question from me. I'm going to aim this at Tony. What does achieving the BBA Agrément certificate mean for you and the business in general?
I think it was important to be the first again. I think that means a lot to ACS personally. But the industry, as Jason said there, it's an instantly recognisable mark when you're bringing out a new product that people have not seen before. They might be a little bit wary of. The BBA mark certification just gives them the confidence that they are choosing a product that, albeit new and they've not seen it before, there's something behind that, or there's a lot that's gone behind that product. So it's peace of mind ultimately, isn't it?
Excellent. Tony, Jason, chaps, thank you so much for joining me today. Absolute pleasure.
You're welcome. Thank you.
Thank you.